This is a before and after. If you're one of those people that are always using the throw blankets or just many blankets where you're kind of like binge watching a TV show or a movie or something like that, this is the thing that you need. It is super soft. It is kind of like 70 inches, 70 by 43 inches, and it comes with 3 heating levels, a remote controller over here, a really long cable, I have to say. I was kind of like surprised to see a cable this long because most of the time this doesn't have like super long cable, but this is actually pretty long. It is plugged like way there in the wall. The other thing that I like about this one is it comes with low, medium, and high, meaning that it goes from almost like 100 Fahrenheit to 140 Fahrenheit. This one, the other thing that I was kind of like, I was checking it yesterday and my wife loved it. She really, really loved it. She's the one that always complaining about the AC in the house or things like that. But our cats loved it. They were kind of like doing biscuits in this really nice one. The other good thing I like about this one, besides the comfort of the remote control over here, it's on low right now. And it's hot already. It is warm, not hot. And low, it's gonna be warm. Mid is gonna be hot already. And high, well, yeah, you're gonna be like in the Bahamas or something like that. How hot it's gonna be. It also comes with really nice kind of like pockets over here if you need, and 2 buttons over here in case that you don't want to use it like this. So you can actually kind of like use it like this if you want and open it up a little bit. It is really, really soft. And again, it's kind of like big, I want to say by 70 inches by 43. It is kind of big. But the comfort of this thing over here, just with the 2 buttons, the remote controller, 100 to 140 degrees, and of course, how soft it is. This is the perfect one for the home office, for just like working or just watching a movie or just watching a TV show or something like that. Just plug it in, select your heating level, and that's gonna be it. I vouch for this one. My wife vouched for this one. Our cats vouch for this one. I like it. So thank you to Comfytemp for sending this one. It is our new best friend in the house. I like it. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.